Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I'm making a delicious roasted tilapia with plantain, pepper sauce and vegetables. I'll start by cleaning my tilapia. It's already descaled, but I like to clean it even properly. Here I'll squeeze some fresh lemon juice, some oil, thyme, salt, seasoning cube and ground dry pepper. Mix it all very well. Bring the fish, dab it dry with some kitchen paper, make a cut on the fish and then rub in the mixture. I like to put some onion in between the fish just for more seasoning and more flavor. After I've rubbed it in, I'll put some onion inside the fish. Now I'll wrap it with some foil paper. Wrap it properly so that the heat doesn't escape, and that way it will cook properly. And now it's going into a preheated oven to roast. The roasting time depends on the size of your fish. And to make the sauce, I've got some Scotch bonnet, some pepper and some onion. I'm going to blend everything together and fry it. While that is cooking, I'm going to cut the vegetables, the spinach, red bell peppers and yellow bell peppers with some onions. Come back to the sauce. I'll add some salt, seasoning cube and stir it. Continue to fry until the oil starts to separate. And I'm going to prepare the plantain. Peel and cut to your desired sizes and deep fry them. Once that is done, I'm going to fry the vegetables. In a pan, add a bit of onions, add the bell peppers, turn it all around properly, let it to cook down for a bit, and then I'll go ahead and add the spinach. When I add the spinach, I only let it cook for at least 30 seconds because I don't want the spinach to overcook. And now the fish is ready. I'm going to open it up and dish it. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification button. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Try this at home and let me know how you get on. If you can get this recipe right, you don't have to go to the restaurant to eat this dish. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in our next video.